In this lecture, we will discuss some more text functions like uppercase, lowercase, and proper case. So this is the PowerBI desktop. Let me click on new. Okay. Let us enter some data manually. Okay. Column 1 can be first name. We can go to column 2. This can be last name. Okay. Suppose name is the name is like that, Misra, Rohit, brother. Just taking two examples for your information. Let me load it. It's creating a connection in model now. Just few seconds more. Alright, this table has come. Click on this table. Okay. What we need to do, go to home button. Okay. Go to transform data. Can you see these are uppercase, lower, the mixable form? This is not the proper way that we write words. In this case, what we can do, select column 1, then press Ctrl, select column 2, go to transform. Okay, click on this format. You can find whether you want in lowercase, whether you want in uppercase, or these are the many options available. We can focus on lowercase, uppercase, and capitalize each word in this session. Let me click on lowercase. See all the words here. You can see. 1 second. This has been in. This is in lowercase mode. Do one thing. Click on column 1. Control. Column 2. We can do one thing. Go to format. Click on uppercase. See all the letters here. We can see all are in uppercase. Okay. Again, we can also do one thing. Let us capitalize each word. See. This is the proper format how we write our names and using sentences, right? I hope you understand how to do this uppercase, lowercase, and proper case. This will be very useful. In the coming lecture, we'll continue basics of various transformations that we use on Power BI. Thank you for watching. If you like our lectures, please go and subscribe our channel and share with your friends. Thank you.